Well, hey! It's right there! They're right here, look at him! Look! Hey! Hi! Look, Juanita! Look, they're right here!
That was awesome.
So my other project that I've been working on is this. And right now it looks like this. I think you can see it. Bunch of bare wires. Trying to figure out what all they go to. Anyway, that's the other project I've been working on. It's been fun. That's a one day. This is day 2 now on it.
Yep. After he called our son-in-law.
I did consult with Tyler, our son-in-law, yes. Just want to make sure that I'm doing it correctly. Oh, this isn't even funny.
Oh, yes it is.
Oh my gosh, YouTube, look at this mess.
You're not going to believe this mess. This is all the wires for the supposedly the speaker.
Those are the stereo wires.
Then we got to figure out where they all go.
Yep.
We had to take the bottom piece off of this thing, and all of those were in there.
Yep.
So, what's Mike get to do? You noticed I didn't say Juanita. What's Mike get to do?
Stick my finger in small holes and
That does not sound right.
I have to figure out where all those wires go where.
That's a lot of wires right there.
And then I gotta put it all back together.
Okay.
Make it look all pretty.
We'll give you an update. Okay, peeps.
It's chilly.
It's a little cold outside. So,
No, I did not pee my pants.
it doesn't look like it. He was laying down on here trying to get the one speaker out. So we've got the speakers inside working. And then Mike blew a fuse and then nothing was working. So now we're outside with the new speakers, and that's the old speaker. Yucky. So we're putting on the new speakers.
It's gonna go in that hole.
It's gonna go in that hole down there, and Mike has to drill 4 holes in the boat to be able to mount it. So that's what he is getting ready to do. So we will show you once we get our speakers put back in.
Yeah, maybe.
Hole number 1 in the boat.
Scary. Very, very scary.
Now he's gonna put hole number, how many? Doops.
Gotta put 5.
Okay, he's getting them. Now you probably can't see it very well.
These 2 are the bottom one I should be able to use.
But doesn't it look pretty on the boat?
Yay! It does. It's getting there.
So you need another clip. And another
Big thing is if it works.
Well, it worked.
We did test
worked
it.
when we tested it.
Right, yeah. Some things look good in theory.
Yep. Can you guys hear it? I know you're not supposed to listen, so I'm going to talk over it so you can't tell what it's doing, but you should be able to hear noise. Woohoo!
I'm out here working away. Juanita, what are you doing?
I'm working away. I don't know what you're doing.
I'm working. I'm filming. What are you doing?
I am wiping down the wood so I can get ready to put tape oil up.
Oh, very nice. Beautiful day. Calm.
Calm. And the sun is nice and warm.
Finished the speakers last night. There's the one. And there's the other. They work very well. Turned out very good. Took me a while, but it turned out really good.
Heidi ho peeps. How are y'all doing today?
We are out on the water.
Yeah. Already. It's another beautiful day. I'm sure I'm in Mike's way. We left the Dodger up today. It is a little bit windier today. But we just wanted you guys to see that we did make it off the dock by ourselves again.
One of these days we'll film it.
Yeah, right now we're not ready for that. We got to concentrate.
Yes, we do have to concentrate. One of us isn't very good at it.
No.
That would be me.
No, the one who says he's not good at it has gotten really good at it. So, but
Better.
better at it. How's that? Better. So we will let you guys see a little bit, and then I will come back and we'll show you if we see any dolphins or anything today.
Yes. Well, we're out here having lunch.
Yeah, that peanut butter and jelly.
And just watching the barges
Go by.
go by. Little close. Engine's off. Should probably start the engine.
We're good.
But we're okay. We're watching it. Just a lazy day.
Yep. Juanita wanted to be out on the water.
What's that?
Juanita wanted to be out on the water.
Yes, we did.